Yes. Okay. So Disha, you should share your experience here. Do you want to take up the mic and talk about this while I look at your account?
Hi, Payal, am I audible?
Yes, Disha, you are. Go ahead.
Yeah. So basically, I had the same issue because see, I am not much of a reader. Like I didn't used to read a lot. So basically, when I used to read a CR passage or anything, I used to take a lot of time to comprehend itself. And previously, I also used to take notes, but
Mm-hmm.
then it used to take a lot of time. And
Mm-hmm.
then I but I always used to follow the process, so my accuracy was not a problem, but my timing was a problem.
But
Like
Disha, did you take 8 minutes or 10 minutes to read a passage?
I have
You
when
have?
I started out, I have, if you see my
Yes.
stats in the CR now, you will
Okay.
see.
Okay. Got it. Got it. So how did you fix this? This looks exactly the same as Abhishek. Abhishek, do you see this? Yeah. Okay. So yes, Disha, tell me.
Yeah,
How
so
did you solve?
actually, uh, what I did was I started like during comprehension, I started taking mental notes first. I started abbreviating. I used to get stuck if I hit a word which is not very familiar to me. So
Mm-hmm.
those things I had to, let that thing go. Like I had to make myself feel comfortable that okay, if I do not know this, I will manage without knowing the word or something
Mm-hmm.
like that. So these are few conscious efforts I put. And if you see,
Mm-hmm.
after that also I have taken 4 minutes, like that. Like
Mm-hmm.
it came down very like it took a lot of time for me, but it did came down. And I would really appreciate Abha, how she helped me uh,
Mm-hmm.
through RC. And another suggestion during RC, what really helped me was she asked me to read a passage from the Economist or the Atlantic, or like these kind of
Mm-hmm.
so that also really helped me, which when I was actually practicing quant, I kind of I was very tensed about my cementing there also, so my that habit got disrupted a little bit. But yeah, when
Mm-hmm.
I was doing that, my RC was accuracy was very good. So that
Okay.
really helps from RC to CR. So these are few steps. And for answer choice analysis, I would say a game changer is like if you like the correct answer is fully correct, right? So if
Mm-hmm.
you find something which is not right in a answer choice, you don't have to analyze it fully and see the you can just discard it. So don't spend that much time analyzing one incorrect choice, that okay, I
Got,
have done thorough analysis. Like you
got
have
it.
yes, that is the thing.
Got it.